Okay. Honestly, I'm just really fucking bored right now. I'm trying to play Gears of War 3 Horde, because I really want to, but I'm really fucking high, so I have no idea how to start this shit. And I'm waiting on Mr. Randy to tell me how to do it. And I figure, right when I ask for his help, a fucking truck comes. Even though he never does any work. Perfect timing. And yeah, I am very happy. It's really awkward talking to a camera. I don't usually do. But I am myself, so it's not a competition. I'm just running. Somebody else is watching this video, how did you get it? I don't let people use my phone. I ain't doing anything. I wouldn't care. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Come here. Come here. Hey, buddy. Say hi. Ooh, stressing. Come here. Yeah, it's a big old boy. Yeah, it's a big old baby. Dog it off. That's the best. Give me a high five. Good boy. Give me your paw. Good boy. Give me your other paw. Give me your other paw. No, give me your other paw. Give me your other paw. Good boy. Say what's up. What? You okay, dude? Slobbering all over me. No, easy. No, no. Stop it. No, quit. Bam. Okay, no, easy, easy, good boy, good boy. Say bye, peace.